Hey guys, the old ride mower's done. It's cutting grass and taking names. Come check it out right now. All right, so I'm back out here on the Troy-Bilt Bronco, and I'm gonna take the valve cover off. But the first thing I'm gonna do to get to it, I gotta drop the hood. So there's 2 1/2-inch bolts right here and right here. Got the impact. Just take those off. I got the wiggler. I got a wiggler in here because I'm lazy. And one down. Oh, don't come down like that. All right. We're running hoodless. All right. So, this is my culprit right here with my oil leak. This guy right here. This is the valve cover on these. You can see it's nasty. So, pull it off. First thing I gotta do is pull the empty oil plug off. Then I've got to take all these little sockets off to take this cover, or these little bolts off with a socket, I mean. Take this cover off. So we'll get that. Alright, so looks like 5/16. Gonna get that in a minute. Alright, so I believe that's all the bolts out of that cover. Oh. Lay all them right there. Really looks pretty good under there. So yeah, that looks pretty good. And these are a little bit bigger. Why, I don't know. So let's get that socket. Well, so these are 10 millimeters, which is weird. But, is what it is. Moth. Yeah, I think that's all the bolts out. We'll see. Might be some under this thing. We'll bend her down and take them out. Alright, so I got it off. It was one bolt hiding under here. I took these out and bent this down just a little bit like that right there. I don't think it's supposed to be bent up that way anyway. I think they've hit something with it. So, here is the original gasket. It's actually not in bad shape. But every one of these I've seen leak. These colors do. So, we're going to put the orange goop to it once I clean this off with some carb cleaner. And then we're going to bolt it back on. So, everything is clean. Clean enough anyway. Alright. Let's set you up on the stand here. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Alrighty. So, I have a little bit of the goo here. Alright. So, first thing I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to spread it out. Make a nice pretty bead. Nice pretty bead. All the way around here. If this stuff will spit out. Alright. How do I do that? Okay. Alright. So, like that. Nice pretty bead of gasket maker. Then I'm going to take the handy dandy gasket and I'm going to lay it on there where it goes, like so. Then I'm going to take this and go all the way around the engine valve cover, like so, with my finger, spreading it out. And I'm going to do the same thing all the way around. Just like finger painting. Yeah. Too bad I was never good at finger painting, right? You know, it don't take a lot, but it takes a little. Alright, and we'll clean the threads off this, and it'll still seal itself up where I can never get it open again, I'm sure, but yeah, I'll use pliers. So, there's that. Alright, now, I'm going to stick my fingers to myself, because that's all I can do right now, because they're covered in gasket material. But when I get done with that, I'm going to put the valve cover back on. And next thing I'm going to do is, I don't know, put bolts in, yes. Get this one started. You can see a little bit of that gasket stuff popping out, which I'm not complaining about. Might have to loosen that bolt back up. There's 2. 3. 4. 5. And it looks like there's 7 total. And there's actually an 8th bolt, but it's just to hold this bracket. So there's all those. And then this short bolt holds this bracket, like so. This goes back in here. I don't know what it is, but it goes back in there. Just kidding, I know what it is. It's a vent for the crankcase. And these 2 go somewhere in here. And they're about ready to get left off because I can't get them tightened up. There's one. There's that one. And then there's one more on this side. There. And that's that. We'll let the old dirty thing dry for the night. And we'll come back tomorrow, put it together, fill it full of oil, make sure it's gonna run right. And we'll put the blade back in it and the hood back on it. And then we'll cut. It'll be cutting for the first time, just like Weird Al said. Like a surgeon and like a virgin. Both ways it'll be cutting for the first time. Let's get at it.
I don't want to believe that remained. We let it slip through our fingertips as the light fell from our lips. We let it slip through our fingertips as the light fell from our lips. We let it slip through our fingertips as the light fell from our lips.
And she's done. Say blade down, grass up. That's the way we like to cut.